So my chicken is done. What I did was I started at 400 and I decreased the amount at for 45 minutes. You bake it at 400 and then you decrease it at you changed my glasses. So I started out this chicken. I marinated it, and you can check on that link on how I marinated it. And then basically what I did was I put it in the oven. This was a little bit overdone, but it's okay. If you want to make a sauce for it, you can. You can make a dressing for it. A dipping sauce would be really good to go with it, and that's really easy to make. Same thing as a vinaigrette. And but basically I put it in the oven. I put it on this double rack, and I put it in the oven for about, for 400 at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes, and then I lowered the temp to 370 or 350 degrees, and then Fahrenheit, and then for an additional 15 minutes, and then that should give you a nice chicken temp at 165 degrees. If for a crispier chicken, you can raise it up a little bit more, but the purpose of raising the chicken up is to get that nice crispiness on the outside, and then lowering it will continue to cook it or bake, roast, and for the internal part of the chicken. So, okay, so what we're going to do is make a quinoa salad with that. So I was thinking about doing like chicken and waffles, and you could do that if you'd like to do some chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles for dinner? Who wouldn't? With maple syrup? Who wouldn't want that? Yeah. And you could even do a salad with it. I don't know. You can do whatever you want as far as your cuisine. It's your kitchen. Whatever you want and whatever you prefer to do, that is up to you. So what I did basically was I love the California cuisine, because California cuisine, we have a variety of a lot of vegetables, that especially around the springtime. And I have tons of videos on spring. I get a little bit more in depth with a lot of different cuisines, but I just wanted to make this a little bit more simple. I thought it was, just keep it simple, right? And then it'll just be easy. So you can start off with, you want to do like a little salad. I use a quinoa salad. So basically it's 1-to-1 ratio. You rinse out your quinoa, and then I do. And rinse it out, and then I go ahead and I put 1 part quinoa, 1 part water. To me it's like seeds. It looks like seeds. And you can do the same thing with your barley. There's a difference between your pearl barley. I would do the pearl barley, which takes the outside of it out. They remove the outside. You could do the same thing. And then you could also use a rice. And this is a brown rice. I buy it, and it's a quick rice. So so you could use a variety. You could even use beans if you want. I mean, if you wanted to do a nice salad. But this is going to be a simple salad, easy to make. And so what I did was I already had pre-cooked some of my quinoa here. And then here, and then get this part going right. It's quinoa. So it's already cooked. And I just add, you can make sweet quinoa, you can make it sweet, you can add nuts, you can add pineapple, mango, a nice vinaigrette will go with that. And so I've already cooked it, it's already cooked, so it's been refrigerated. I got something on my glasses, let's clean them up. My glasses, make sure I can see you, or see the quinoa. So I have my quinoa here, see, my quinoa, and I have some arugula. Some nice arugula, and oh, love arugula. I don't know if you've ever had arugula. Nice, peppery, with a little bit of sweetness, and oh, I just love it. When you go to if you get it organically grown, someone just really loves the arugula. That's the best. You can make pesto out of it. Arugula is really diverse here. You put in your salad, which is what I'm going to do and put in this quinoa salad. So, okay. So where is my, I want to show you how to peel pepino. I'm going to show you how to peel a cucumber. Basically what I do, I wash it. First and foremost, I wash it. Sometimes they put like this stuff on it that to preserve it, and I hate that. And if you can get a cucumber that is straight out of your yard, lucky you. Or a cucumber that is, you know, that people just sell at the farmer's market, and they have their own little batch that they sell. I love those places where they have their own little, we grow them ourselves. I love it. You can find that, and you're in heaven, honey. You're in produce heaven. I mean, that's the way to do it, right? What's that? Had to lower the music. And basically what I do is, I'm not going to cut it in half is what I would usually do, and then peel it, but I'm just going to peel it. Oh, I was going to show you how to peel it, right? Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm a little rusty right now. So, the peeling has two sides to it. And so, a lot of people don't know this. Make your life easier. You just basically... And that's how you do your little cucumber. Yep. You see how fast that was? Made a mess, but hey, it's done. Now, with my carrot, I learned this in my culinary school. So you take the back of your knife or a spoon, and you basically just... And that's a real easy way, because when you're using the peeler, the carrot peeler, or the peeler, it's going to take chunks, the meaty portion. You just want to get the, you want to remove the top layer of that carrot. So that's why you use the back of the knife. Yep. So, okay. Let me take some of that off here. It's a clean towel. Make sure your towels are clean. And let me just go ahead and cut that. We're going to square it off. These are your knife skills. And then basically square that off. We have like matchsticks, and there's a name for each one of your cuts. There is an actual name for it. So see if you can know what this is called. That's where you'll know a true chef, between just a cook and a true chef. Chef knows all the techniques, all the names of procedures, because in the kitchen, in the back of the house, are certain procedures that we are taught, and those procedures mean something. They were brought all the way from do you remember his name? They brought these techniques from the birdcage, the back of the house, where everything was created. All these techniques, all these different techniques. And I mean, when I was going to school, we were graded for everything, all the techniques. People just throw out words and they don't really know what they're doing. So until you learn, I mean, that's a true chef. A chef and a true chef will become certified. They will become certified, and they will have to go to an intensive program. A program that lasts, I think, up to 2 to 3 weeks. And you have to do galantines, you have to do terrains, you have to do all these fancy, wonderful dishes that they'll take you to a whole different world. And then you become certified, and I'm telling you, it's hard, it's very grueling. And then it costs, I think like $3,000 for you to become an actual certified chef. I haven't done it because I don't have $3,000. So, basically what I'm doing, and see, I'd probably they would grade me on my knife skills, and you have to pass a certain grade because they basically test you on all your techniques and your methods. Oh, you just want to be a cook, go for it. But if you want to be truly a chef, then there's some things you're going to have to go through and become certified chef. Then maybe you can become a celebrity chef. Okay. So I want to put just a little bit of freshness in my salad, in my quinoa salad. I just really love the freshness. And then, and it's really easy to make. I mean, you don't have to, it's really no fuss. I'm going to put some, I love red onions. So you want to take the outside layer of that onion off. Well, actually, you're supposed to have a little bowl to put all your little stuff in it, okay? Let me just do this right, okay? Alright. There. We'll just, you have to have a bowl on your side when you're working in the kitchen. Be lazy and sloppy like I just was. Like I said, I'm a little out of sync here, so I'm going to put that in there. This is so beautiful, this little salad. And you want to hold your fingers on top like that. Yes. Then you just kind of, or you could do it julienne. I like the little julienne as well. You can cut it that way, or you could do it julienne style, which is what I'm probably going to end up doing. Nice thin slices, and it just makes it a little bit more of a rustic, and it'll probably go better with the arugula, since you kind of want to match up the food, because your presentation is so important. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a rinse, my arugula. Yeah, let's give it a little rinse. Always rinse your veggies. I trust the source where I go. So sometimes I'll just go and I'll eat right from the, without rinsing. They're like, oh my God, you're eating it. Yep, that's right. I'm eating it right off. But that's just me. But trust your instinct, trust your gut. So I'm going to put a little bit of arugula in there. And then, kind of be picky about your arugula. I take if they have long stems, I'm going to take them off. I'm going to remove them, okay? And then I'm just going to mix that up. That beautiful color, see? And that's going to go well with your so you could eat it like this because there's some, or, there's some tomato juices in there. Or, you can add some vinaigrette to it. This is an orange muscat champagne vinegar. Or you can add some lime. I'm going to add lime. I'd rather add lime to mine. Okay. Add some lime to that baby. Mix it up. Get a fork. Like that. And then try it. It doesn't even need salt. You know why? Because I salted the quinoa. Oh my God. And this is so healthy. This is a delicious, this is vegan, vegetarian, healthy, nutritious. It's healthy. I mean, I could eat this all day. You can add nuts in there. I'm not going to do all that because to me the quinoa already has a nutty. Now if I wanted to do it, like if I did this like in the fall, I would add raisins. I would add cashews to it. Walnuts. If you're allergic to walnuts, then, I mean, slivered almonds. I mean, you can just go to town with your quinoa, and it's so healthy and nutritious. And then, if you run out of oils, you can add some extra virgin olive oil. I'm not going to because I don't need to. I want that freshness. And then, or you can add some sunflower oil to it if you'd like, if you don't have it. Make sure it's expeller press. I would stick to the good oils. You could add coconut oil if you'd like. This in itself right here, keep it simple, nice and fresh, yummy. How would I serve it? Grab a plate. I'm going to enjoy this meal. Healthy meal. So just, you know what? Put some of that on there. And then I would get my piece of chicken. Get a tong. There are tongs here. Get my piece of chicken. What kind of chicken do I want? I'll just take a little small piece of this breast. And there you have it. If you want to add, you want to add some rolls to it, some biscuits. Yum! This is a good healthy meal, and I think it would go into an Atkins diet, and it would also go into if you want to get rid of all your flours, and this is a good healthy meal. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my salad. I'm so glad I showed you this video. And so I guess I'll talk to you later. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.